so this is the George Foreman Smokeless Indoor Grill. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Team Kelo What? If you're new to our channel, please don't forget that you can join our community by hitting the subscribe button right there. And don't forget to hit the notification button while you're at it so you don't miss any of these videos.
That's right.
If you notice that there is some grease here, but it doesn't stay there. The grease is on the table. So it's important that you know that you may want to, the grease.
Yeah, the whole table has been greased up all around it. Alright guys, so this has been a review of the George Foreman Smokeless Grill.
Smokeless. I think they were blowing smoke up our hopes. So don't forget.
That's a good one. Signing out with all the smoke in the living room.
All right, cool. So we're gonna
let's just clean it up.
Yeah. All right, so we're gonna go through the cleaning process. So here we go. Here's this piece. We're gonna pull this out. This is what transmits the heat. And this piece. Whole piece, it's one piece comes up, and then look what happened. This is all the fat from the bacon that we made, which is, look at it. That's a lot of fat.
That is a lot of fat.
I'm happy about that. But as you can see down here, it's all dirty and full of it. So this is the part that you can actually put into the microwave. To the dishwasher.
So I guess we just wipe the
surface down.
Wipe the surface down first.
Let's see how okay.
Yeah, it was non-stick.
It is non-stick because maybe you don't have a dishwasher. Maybe you just want to clean it up. It does come off, so it's not bad. I think it's all right. Yeah, you're set for your next cleaning. I don't know. All in all, it's been ups and downs with the George Foreman Smokeless Grill. So for the, I guess for now, it is what it is. It cleans up pretty easy. So on the easy thing, I'll give it a thumbs up. What do you give it?
I think I would give it another thumbs up.
All right, so here we go. 2 thumbs up for
thumbs
cleaning.
Up. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and
hit the notification bell button so you don't miss any of these videos. We really want to thank you all. Leave us a comment, any questions you may have. Team Kelo What?